What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to be doing a POV drive because I haven't done a video in a minute because it's been raining like crazy here in the Southern California area. So haven't been able to get out. Just been working a lot, man. But yeah, so we're going to do a POV drive inside of the Scatpack today. And also, let me know, do y'all want to see me put my speakers back inside my car? Because I took them out of my old one and they've really just been sitting here for like a year. And y'all see I'm using it as a table right now. So, and these videos do really well. So y'all let me know in the comments, do y'all want me to put these speakers back in? Or do y'all just want to leave them out? Because, I mean, I've had this car for like, I've had this car for like 8 months now and I haven't put the speakers in. So I'm low-key like, what's the point of me putting them in now? But it is content, so y'all let me know in the comments. Y'all let me know, do y'all want me to put those speakers back in? Because I'll put them in for y'all. But yeah, like I said, we're going to be doing a POV drive in a Scatpack today. Car, man, let's go out here. Let's see, how wet is it outside? Because if it's like super wet outside, then like I'm not going to be out here driving crazy or anything like that. But all right, yeah. So all of the water is dried up. So we should be good. So let's go ahead and let's get in the car, man. Because can't do a cold start because people are sleeping upstairs. So I'm not trying to wake him up. So let's go ahead and go real quick. Also, this is my first POV drive since I've gotten a tune on my car. If y'all watched the last video, y'all seen that I put a underground tune on here. I put the burbles. So we can see what that sounds like also. And because I really don't, I ain't gonna lie to you, I do use it a lot, but here lately I haven't been using it because of the rain. Because you gotta speed up a little bit to, actually make them pop. But we can see what they sound like today too. So let's go ahead, let's put this in. I'm gonna put my seatbelt on first. Y'all ain't hearing that dinging noise all video. But all right, we're gonna put it in. Let's put it in track, man. I know people say you're not supposed to use track mode, but we're gonna use it today. All right, then we're gonna go, let's go right. Hopefully y'all can actually hear them because I'm using my phone to record today. Like I usually use my camera, but like whenever I'm driving, it's really hard to like hold this big camera and drive and do all of this movement and stuff. So whenever I do like POVs, I like to use my phone because it's just smaller and easier to handle, man. So and also I'm gonna try to start making like videos more often. It's just very hard for me to make videos right now because of my job. I'm working like 10 hours a day. So once I get home, it's dark. But yeah. Y'all hear those pops, boy. I know y'all hear those pops. Yo, that is crazy, man. I'll let the window down a little bit. Maybe we can hear him better. Nah, there's too much wind. Too much wind when I left the window down, so. Bro, I'm not even downshifting either, bro. I'm just letting off the gas and they're going crazy. Bro, this is probably the best tune I've ever put on my car, bro. If y'all are like thinking about getting an underground tune, go get that thing today, bro. For real. And the crazy thing is, I don't even have a mid muffler delete. So if I had a mid muffler delete, those things would probably be even more crazy. I've actually been thinking about getting one, bro. I just gotta save up to get one. You know, gotta take care of your responsibilities before, you know, you go and get your luxury stuff, you know what I mean? Can't be out here buying stuff for your car and then you don't got money to go get food. Just doesn't make any sense. So always make sure y'all priorities are straight before y'all go and get y'all's, you know what I mean, y'all stuff that y'all just want to get. So. Let's get some pops real quick. I've heard them on YouTube and stuff, but like I've never like had one on my car before. Totally different from on video than in person, man. Totally different. I was so happy I got this tune. It was well worth the money. And on top of that, it is so easy to like put this tune in. Like I did it myself, and trust me, if I can do it, anybody can do it, man. Like I don't work on cars at all. If anything comes up with my car, bro, I take it to somebody else. If I want something put on my car, I take it to somebody else. So for me to do this thing myself that should tell everybody that, yeah, it's easy to do. So they got videos on YouTube, but the dude shows you how to do it, and it's just like step by step. That's it. Let's get off the main road real quick. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I have no idea where I'm going. I have no idea where I'm going right now. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Bro, look at that shit. They're trying to take me on the damn dirt road. Hell no, that would have messed my car up, bro. We're gonna go this way. For all that dirt flying up, rocks hitting my car, that would have messed my wrap up, bro. That stuff be popping in auto too. Oh, come on, come on, come on. pull out in front of me, bro? Come on, man. Do better. Yeah, but I seen the police lurking over there too. Always gotta keep an eye out for the 5-0. Alright, y'all, man. That's gonna be the end of this video. Just y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Cause I'm gonna be more consistent. You know, they might not be long videos, but they're gonna be good content. The more content I drop, the better I get at making content, right? So we just gotta get consistent, and then let's grow together, bro. You know, and I need a name for y'all. So if y'all think of a name that I can call y'all, you know, the family, put it in the comments. But that's gonna be it, man. Peace.